Hi guys, come with me today to a client's residence where we're going to be installing one of our security systems. Okay, so today we're going to be installing an automated gate system and I'm going to be walking you guys through the entire process. Okay, so you're going to see the installation, the engineers, you're going to meet them and see them do their work live, and I'm going to show you the final result on how the gate works. So come with me, let's go. Okay guys, so we're finally here at the location and this is the gate that we are going to be working on. Okay, so our engineers are going to install our system on this gate. As you can see, it's a swing gate, so we use our hands to open it and close it back. But after our engineers are done with the installation, you will see how we can use either our phone or our remote control to do the opening and closing. So join me to meet our engineers and see the work in its progress. Okay, so as you can see behind me, our engineers are currently working on the whole installation process. It's looking very nice so far. Let's meet some of our engineers, shall we? Okay, so over here we have engineer. This is engineer Shakol, and over here we have Mr. Engineer Elvis, and this is engineer Praise. So as you can see, they are working on the entire process, so stay till the end to see the final results. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed the entire installation process today. To get your own automated gate system or a CCTV camera or any other smart security gadget you can think of, simply contact either of the numbers on the screen or visit Iconox at either of our showrooms in Ikeja, Lagos. Thank you. Bye.